welcome in a new video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 7 on an external USB to use it for repairing a computer or to use it for installing it in another computer. First of all, you will need to download the program which you have in the link below, which is called Windows tools of download USB DVD Windows 7. You will find it in the link below. You need just to download it and to install it, and you launch the program. You click yes. Second things which you need to have, it's an ISO file of your Windows 7, and you need to go to it. I have it, for example, in this computer. I will go to it, and you copy the link here and you leave it for a little bit later, and you choose your version if you want to install professional one or home one, depending on the version which you have or which you bought. And here the source of file, we will click browse and we will paste on the search tab, and here I would like to choose only home premium, which I have. Please make sure that you have an ISO file, otherwise it wouldn't work. And before choosing which type, please make sure, if for example you want to install it on the computer which is already working with this with an operating system, make sure to check what is the architecture of your computer. This is very easy. Just type run on the search menu, and here type dxdiag, and it will show you the architecture of your computer. A small window will pop up and it will contain all the information. Yes, so there we go. My system is a Windows 10, we don't care, but it's 64-bit. So basically, if I would like to format this computer with Windows 7, I will need to choose 64-bit. However, to make it faster, so we will just choose Home Premium only. So please make sure to choose the adequate one. If your computer is 64-bit, choose a 64-bit Windows 7. If it's 32, then choose a 32-bit. I want to make it for another computer, so I will choose a different one in this case. The other computer which I want to format, it's 32-bit, so I need 32. However, please make sure to not mix it up. We'll click open. We'll click next. I will explain to you later why if you don't respect that, what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen if you choose the wrong architecture or the wrong bit. Instead of choosing 32, you choose 64, or instead of 64, you choose 32. So we'll click just next. We will choose an USB if you would like to make an USB device bootable, or you can choose a DVD if you are willing to put it in a CD, and you choose your device. And here you need to make sure that your USB is plugged in, and we can click begin copying. Here it will ask us to erase the USB. We will choose yes, and the formatting will start and the process will start. So we will choose erase USB. So after making sure that we choose the right one, then we will choose the USB which we would like to use. In this case, I have this removable USB which I plugged on the F side, and we click begin copying, and we will choose erase USB device. It will format all the information, so make sure that you use an empty USB with sufficient space over 4 gigabit, or and it should be empty, which doesn't contain any important information. We click yes, so it's gonna format our USB, and as we can see, the status now it's formatting, and the process is for creating a bootable USB. A bootable USB means an USB which you can start the computer from instead of the hard disk, and you can use it to install the operating system. So now it starts copying the files, and this process will take between 3 up to 7 to 10 minutes maximum. So now the process begin copying files. Now it's 2%, and I will stop the video here until it finished so that you don't get bored, guys. Now it's 22% and it's going up and up. It's quite a fast process, so you don't need to worry about it. It will finish by itself. And in the end, I will show you how it looks like a bootable USB. Now we are over 40% and it's less than 1 minute actually. My computer is quite fast. However, this depends only on your computer, how the type of processor and how fast is your computer, and it should be finished very fast. As you can see, it is almost done, 96%. However, it can take, meanwhile, please remember that it can take between 3 and up to 10 minutes or a little bit over if your operating system is quite slow or if your computer is quite old generation. So don't worry, leave it works. Even if it looks like it's not doing anything, it is working in the background, so don't worry. In this case, we are almost done. It takes a little bit actually. In my case, it took around of 6 minutes, but I was stopping the video so that you don't get bored. So now the system file copied successfully. So don't worry if you see something like this red, just close it, and then you will need to go to your USB and to check. Don't click start over, otherwise you will make a new, it will start again on the same USB. So as you can see, if you need assistance and what, we don't care about all of this. We will just go to close it and we will go and open our shortcut, computer shortcut. And as you can see, now we have a bootable USB Windows 7 and you can use it to install Windows 7 on your computer. But make sure to buy a license before you do this. Buy a license for Windows 7. So now we can either install it now or we can check the compatibility of our computer with the operating system online, which I would suggest to you to do it before installing the system on your computer. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you need any help or assistance, please contact us. And if you like this video and you find it useful, please, please if you find this video useful, click you like, share and subscribe.